Hello and welcome to episode number 22 of our November Pumpkin Party. My name is Laura Mullinax and I'm your host. And today we are going to be making a protein, low-carb pumpkin muffin. Let's dive in. We are going to start with 2 scoops of Glamour Body Fitness Get Lean Vanilla Protein. Go ahead and put it in your bowl because we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together and then we'll put our wet ingredients in. So there's 2 scoops of the protein. Then we are going to take a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, put that in there, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour. Now, if you can't find almond flour in the store, you can always make yours. That's what I did. I just bought me a bag of almonds and then I put it in my blender and blended it into almond flour. Now that we have all these dry ingredients in here in our bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix those up. Nice. Looks so good. Smells so good already. We're just getting started. We're going to add in 3 eggs. Add 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I've got a half cup here, so I'm going to add 2 of these. And then add a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Awesome. And just like that, all our ingredients are in a bowl, and all we have to do is mix them up and put them in a muffin tin, put them in the oven, and we'll be ready to go. Let's stir that up. All right, now that our batter is ready, we're gonna go ahead and get it in a muffin tin. I'm taking a lightly greased mini muffin pan, and I'm going to just scoop this mix into there until it's about 3/4 of the way full. Put them all in there. Now that we have our batter in our muffin tin, we are going to put this in a preheated oven. I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 22 to 26 minutes until we put a toothpick in and pull it out and it's clean. I just pulled these out of the oven and let them cool, and we are ready to put them on a plate. Don't they just look beautiful? They are nice and golden in color. So let's get these on a plate. And there you have it, these perfect little mini pieces of heaven that are ready to go and bite-sized, ready for you to enjoy. Before you go, don't forget to go ahead and get your free copy of the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook. Go to glamourbodyfitness.com/pumpkin cookbook. From there, all you have to do is just enter in your email address and I will send it to you as fast as I can. It's going to include all 30 recipes that we are doing over the course of November. Also, if you're interested in getting the Glamour Body Fitness Get Lean protein that we're using in the recipes, you can go to glamourbodyfitness.com/protein where you can order your own personal bag of vanilla Get Lean. Now in the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook, I'm just using vanilla in all of the recipes, but we also have chocolate available. So if you want to order an extra bag, you can do that and get yourself some chocolate too. So that link again is glamourbodyfitness.com/protein.